This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how and when to load and save workspaces in R. This tutorial will have 2 parts. Part 1, how to load and save workspaces in R. Alright, let's do some random stuff in R. How about we count up the numbers from 1 to 100 by 3s and save that in X? There's X. How about we load the empty cars data frame and now rename all the rows to hybrid. And now empty cars looks like that, and now multiply all their miles per gallon by 3. There's empty cars now. Cool. Alright, fine. So, let's save this workspace. Click over in the console, File, Save As, and now save the workspace as see my directory la di da. Great. And now if I go over to my directory and double click, it's going to open up a new version of R with my previously saved workspace. If I type the ls function, it's going to show me the objects that I've got loaded from this workspace. And they're the same. Look, there's X and there's MT cars with all my hybrid additions and the big miles per gallon jump. Isn't that great? No, it's not great. Where did this come from? What did I do? Suddenly I'm the main character in the movie Memento and I can't remember anything. What did I do? Remember how the beginning of this tutorial I said there were 2 parts? Here's part 2. When to load and save a workspace in R. Never. The answer is never. Never do this. It's sloppy, lousy, crappy computer programming. Instead of loading workspaces, you should have the full script that reproduces the entire contents of the workspace on its own. That way you can read it and rerun it instead. Saving workspaces is a lazy way of saving your script. Just save your script instead. That way it's reproducible. If you don't know why reproducibility is important, check out the tutorial titled How to Add Comments, Save a Script File, and Make Your Work Reproducible in R. Here's what to do instead. Go back to the instance of R where you initially created everything. If it's a script, you could just save the script file, File, Save As, and save your script. Or you can access all the commands you just typed with the history function. Here's all the commands, back to the past 50 commands. Here's all the commands you've run since the beginning of this instance. And you can actually save your history with the Save History function. Wow, great! Save all your commands so you can recreate all objects from scratch and know what you did. Amnesia will never ruin another statistical programming project again. This has been a work of R.